I have in my notes definition of kindness. Kindness is the selfless, compassionate, and intentional act of doing good things for others without expecting without expecting a return. Because some people, they do things with ulterior motives. They help you expecting that you will help them back, but most of the time it's not always like that. Let me cite an example. For me, I have experienced kindness from people, and it was not from me. The kindness was actually from my mom. So my siblings and I, we are really enjoying kindness from people. Like, okay, when I was doing my orientation in school, so I had a mistake in my matric number. So I went to meet this woman at the admin that, oh, mommy, you made a mistake in my matric number, blah, blah, blah. She was like, get out of my office. What's my business? Da, 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 da. I should go to ID card office. I went there. They told me I was going to pay maybe 50,000 for them to change my matric number or something. So I say, mommy, but you were the one that made the mistake. It was not me. She said she was just shouting and she should just go. She's tired. She's responding to a lot of people since morning. Can you come? So I left. I just said in my heart that God, me, I'm tired though. It's not by force to do masters. Me, I'll go. So I just went back to meet her again. Then she just said, oh yeah, what's your name? And I said, my name is Oshino Kilua. I was like, Oshino looked at my face. Like, all the time I've been going to meet her, she didn't even look at me. She didn't even give me any audience. So she looked at my face. Oh my Beji. Oh my God, so she was like, my mommy was a very nice person to her. She did this, she did that. So without paying anything, without doing anything, she helped with my matric number. So most of the time, you might not actually reap what the kindness you sow. It might be another person. It might be your children. It might be your children's children. So, and again, I want to encourage us, people that, if you know you are a kind person and people always repay you with evil, please, just continue being kind. Just continue being kind. Don't worry. God is a rewarder. He's going to reward you. Because most people here, I have a sister. She paid for someone's school fees and all. So the person did not even come back and say thank you. She was not saying, it's as if I will not be helping people again. So I was just like encouraging her that it will not be nice. Other people, because you won't say you want to judge other people based on how this person is. So I just want to encourage us to be continue being kind. Amen. Amen. Thank you. So, okay, from the Bible text, Ephesians 4:32. Can you please project that? Media, please. Ephesians 4:32. Okay, but instead, be kind and affectionate towards one another, as God graciously forgiven you. As God graciously forgiven you, then graciously forgive one another in depth of Christ's love. So I want to pick out attributes of a kind person from this text. So I would say a kind person is affectionate. You can't say you are kind and you are not affectionate towards to your neighbor, to your friends, to your classmates. You can't say that. And you have to have a forgiving spirit, yes. That's very important. You need to have a forgiving spirit. Don't say that, this person, lie, I will never forgive you. God forbid. If you can forgive the person and not be close with the person again, that's fine. But make sure you always forgive. And again, kindness is Christ-like, yes. Because I think I don't know if it's the first. Sorry. John 3:16. For God so loved the world. People should continue now. He gave his only what? Only. Is that not kind? That's kindness. So, you already set the example for us. Giving out your only child is not, even if you have 6, you cannot pray that one should go. Do we get? Amen? Amen? Okay. So, and again, I would say kindness is like an investment. You don't necessarily have to get your ROI. No. It's an investment. It might be your children. I already said that. It might be your children or your grandchildren that will actually get the ROI. So, yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. And again, if anyone shows you kindness, please acknowledge. Don't ever forget that. And make sure you always say thank you. That's for people that receive kindness from other people, yes. We should not be forgetful. We should always come back and say thank you to anyone that shows us kindness. That's very important too. I hope you are following me. I'm sorry, this is my first time of doing it, so people should manage me. And again, ways to show kindness too. You don't necessarily have to give somebody money before you can show kindness. You can help in my, I'm doing my IT in OUTH. So every Tuesday is immunization. I am always carrying baby. If I say, like there was even one woman, she has triplets. She will back one, carry one. So I will just help her carry one of the babies. So it's not money. You don't have to have money to show kindness. You can show kindness anyway, even listening ears. Probably a friend wants to talk and person needs someone to talk to rant to. You can show kindness by giving the person listening and not that you be inputting your own. Just listen. That's it. Just listen. You can show kindness by listening to somebody, by giving your time also, by giving your time to somebody, so you can show kindness by that. By forgiving and by being compassionate also, you can. Yes, you can. Thank you. And again, I just want to say that we should always show kindness before condemnation. Yes. Do not, probably somebody comes to meet you and says that, oh, I was sacked in my place of work, Don't be too fast to say that. I know it's you that will be abusing the boss. The boss cannot just sack you. First, listen to the person, like the story of the prostitute in the Bible that they were stoning. I've forgotten that they were just stoning. So when she ran to Jesus, then Jesus was like, if people have not sinned, just cast the first stone. So Jesus handled that matter with kindness. He didn't handle it with condemnation. He didn't condemn the person. So I feel like we should emulate that too. Don't be too quick to condemn people. Let's be kind towards each other. So yeah, thank you very much. So I just want you to face your neighbor and say, let kindness start with me. I cannot hear you. Say it loud. Let kindness start with me. All right. Thank you very much, and God bless you.